Hello class, today we're going to talk about melody, and specifically we're going to talk about how melody can sometimes move in steps and sometimes move in leaps. Now, so far we've just been learning scales, just going right up the scales with no skips at all, no leaps at all. We're just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's not usually how music works. Usually music has different directions that it goes, and it doesn't always go in the order of a scale. So what I decided to do to show you this is use our Jackson Creek Spirit song. So the way that this song goes, we're in the key of B flat again. We have two flats, B flat and E flat in our scale, and the first note of the song is our B flat, so it's our number one note of the scale. And I'm going to go ahead and play it for you so you can have it in your ear, and we're going to talk about how the melody of this song moves. Here we go. Alright, so that's the first part of our Jackson Creek Jaguar song. So, we are the Jackson Creek Jaguars, right? And the first part of this song, it just moves in steps. We're going from 1 to 2, back to 1. So it's not moving very far. 1, 2, 1. And then the next part just goes down to 7, one step down to 7. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7. All right, so those are all steps. And then it moves one more step down to 6. 6. But then when the next note in the words of the song goes Jaguars, that is a leap. So we're not going from 6 to 5 or 6 to 7. We're going from 6 to 3. All right? And sometimes, for the way my musical mind works, it's really helpful to use numbers because I can think of 3. 3, 2, 1. So if we're thinking of the number system, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 3. And I can think 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 3. All right? So melody can move in all different kinds of ways, but those are two. It's really good to recognize when a melody is moving by steps. You can really think of that scale. And when it's moving by leaps, think of those numbers, and it helps you to hear that note in your head before you play it or sing it. There you go.